All right. Today I'm going to show you the difference between simplifying an algebraic expression with fractions and solving an equation with fractions. It is extremely important to understand the difference between simplifying an algebraic expression with fractions and solving an equation with fractions. So today, I'm going to work with both concepts together to make sure that you understand the difference. Okay, so as you can see there, I um, have written an algebraic expression with fractions, and we are instructed to simplify it. All right, simplify an algebraic expression with fractions. So the first thing that I do here is to, of course, identify my LCD. But for me to identify my LCD, first I need to express everything as a fraction. So you can already see that x over 2 is a fraction, x over 5 is a fraction, but 3 is not in fraction form. So the first thing I'll do, I'll make sure I rewrite everything to be in fraction form. So this becomes x over 2 minus x over 5 plus 3 over 1. So 3 as a fraction is 3 over 1. Okay, and then I look for my LCD. LCD meaning lowest common denominator. Lowest common denominator. So what is the lowest common denominator of 2, 5, and 1? All right, it's 10. So you can see that it's 10. So I have identified my lowest common denominator. Then the next thing will be for me to convert all the terms to equivalent fractions with denominators equal to 10. All right, I'm going to convert all the terms to equivalent fractions with denominators that are equal to 10. Okay, that are equal to 10. So here I will just multiply. Um, I'll just multiply here by 5 here and 5. Okay. Then here I can multiply by 2 and 2. So multiply here 2 and 2. And then on 3, I'll just multiply by 10 and 10. Yeah, so that's how you convert all the terms to equivalent fractions with the denominators equal to 10. So this will become 5x over 10, 5x over 10 minus 2x over 10 plus 30 over 30 over 10. Okay, then the next step will be to write this expression as one fraction. To write this expression as one fraction. So this becomes 5x minus 2x plus 30 over 10. So as you can see here, I have written the expression as one fraction. Always remember that simplifying an expression containing more than one fraction involves writing the expression as a single fraction. So the next thing now will be for me to simplify. So you can see there are like terms there, 5x and 2x, they are like terms. So I can say 5x minus 2x gives me 3x plus 30 plus 30 over 10. All right, I am done. There's nothing else I can do here. So the answer will be 3x plus 30 over 10 over 10. All right, so I have simplified the expression. And now let's look at equations that involves fractions. As you can see here, they want us to solve this fractional equation. They want us to solve this fractional equation. So what do we do? I'm going to borrow the concept that we applied when we were simplifying that algebraic expression with fractions. Okay? Yes, so I'm going to work with that concept that we applied. All right? I'm going to work with that concept that we applied on this particular equation. All right. So the first thing that we do, of course, like what we did when we were expressing, when we were simplifying that algebraic expression with fractions, the first thing we did was to find the LCD. All right. Was to find the LCD. And what was our LCD? Our LCD was 10. Our lowest common denominator was 10. And in this case, it's also going to be 10. Then we are going to convert all the terms to equivalent fractions with denominators equal to 10, just like what we did on the previous question that we started with. So if I convert all the terms to equivalent fractions, like we did, this is going to be 5x over 10 is equal to 2x over 10 plus 30 over 10. Yeah, all right. So we have converted all the terms to equivalent fractions with the denominators um, equal to 10. So you can see here multiplied by 5, also here by 5. Then here I multiplied by 2, then there by 2. Then here, obviously, I had to express 3 as a fraction, which is 3 over 1, and I multiplied here by 10, also there by 10. All right, so this is now what we have. 5x over 10 is equal to 2x over 10 plus 30 over 10. Then the next thing I will do is to write expressions on both sides as single fractions. I will write expressions on both sides as single fractions. All right. So the fraction to the left or the expression to the left is already a single fraction. So I'm not going to do much on the left side than to just write it as it is, which is 5x over 10 is equal to, then 2x over 10 plus 30 over 10 is the expression that I'm going to write as a single fraction, as a single fraction. So as a single fraction is going to be 2x plus 30 over 10. So as long as the denominators here are the same, I can write that expression as a single fraction. So as long as the denominators are the same. Okay, so now I can solve. Remember what we are doing here. We are not simplifying, but we are solving for x. We are solving for x. This is an equation. All right. So 5x over 10 is equals to 2x plus 30 over 10. I'm solving for x. So the first thing that I will do is I will multiply both sides by 10. I will multiply both sides by 10. Okay. Multiply both sides by 10. Like this. So this 10 and that 10 will cancel out, and I'll be left here with 5x is equal to this 10 here, and that 10 will cancel out, and I will be left with 2x plus 30 on my right side. All right, then after this, I'm going to simplify. I'm going to simplify. I'll simply take this 2x to the other side, where it's going to be subtracted. So it's going to be 5x minus 2x is equal to 30. All right, and 5x minus 2x is 3x is equal to 30. All right, then I solve. So divide both sides by 3, divide it by 3, then also the other side there by 3. So these 3 and that 3 cancel out, and I'll be left with x here is equal to 3 into 30 is 10. So x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. I have solved for x. All right. I'm going to show you a much easier method, which I'm going to call method 2. I'm going to show you another method, which is much easier, which I'm going to call method 2. All right, so I'm going to rewrite the equation one more time, the fractional equation one more time. X over 2 is equal to x over 5 plus 3. Okay, so we already know that the LCD is 10. Okay, we know that the LCD there is what? 10. All right, and I'll need to express the 3 as a fraction, which is 3 over 1. So you can see there that the LCD is equal to 10. So what I'll do is I'm going to multiply all terms by the LCD of 10. Multiply all the terms by the LCD of 10. Therefore, x over 2 times the LCD 10 is equal to x over 5 times the LCD 10 plus 3 over 1 times the LCD 10. So you can see here that I've multiplied, excuse me, all the terms by the LCD of 10. All right. So the left side will be 10x over 2, because x over 2 times 10 will give you 10x over 2 is equal to x over 5 times 10 will give you 10x over 5 plus 3 over 1 times 10 is 30. 30 over 1. Okay? Then I'm going to simplify. 10x divided by 2 is 5x. Is equal to, then 10x divided by 5 is 5x. Sorry, it's 2x. So it's 10x divided by 5 is 2x. All right. Then 30 divided by 1 remains as 30. Okay. Then I'm going to simplify. Take this 2x to the other side, which is going to be subtracted, of course. So it will be 5x minus 2x is equal to 30. And this simplifies to 3x is equal to 30. Then I'll divide both sides by 3. These cancel out. 3 into that is 10. So you can see x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. I have solved for x. So it is extremely important to understand the difference between simplifying an algebraic expression with fractions and solving an equation with fractions. So in this lesson, I did explain to you the difference and how you can work with both concepts together. All right. Cheers. Bye-bye.